Hi there. This video is going to walk you through how to join your Windows 7 computer to a domain. Now, the difference between a domain and a workgroup is that a domain, when you're joining a domain, there needs to be a domain controller, and normally that takes place, your network administrators set up a domain controller where you have a Windows server operating system that is controlling the network and authenticating users through Active Directory and some of that old complicated stuff for businesses. But if you're a technician or if you're just a small business owner and you're trying to set up your computer, here's how to do it. You hit Start, right click on Computer, hit Properties, and you're going to see a bunch of information here. You're going to see that your computer has a computer name and that you're part of a work group. Now, if you want to change those settings, go ahead and hit Change Settings. And it says to rename this computer or change its domain or work group, click Change. So we hit Change. Now we can see that we're part of a default work group. Let's join a domain. Let's say that the name of the domain is happy.com. Okay? So let's say that our network administrator has given us the domain of happy.com. That's the domain we want to join. When we hit OK, we're not going to hit OK because it's not going to do anything, but when we hit OK, it's probably going to prompt us for a username and password that has the authority to join this computer to the domain. It's probably going to be something that your network administrator is going to need to do unless your network administrator has given you administrator privileges in order to join this computer to a domain. So I'm going to hit cancel and OK, and I'm going to X out of that. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and reboot your computer in order for those changes to take place. When the screen comes up when your computer reboots, it's going to look a little different from what you're normally used to seeing. You're going to see a screen and you're going to see the domain, and it's probably going to have a backslash and your username. So then you're going to want to log in with that username that your network administrator has given you so that you can log into the domain.